So, if you are not familiar with Solidity, we are probably going to be your best resource. And so, honestly, I'm not just trying to shill myself, but if you're looking to check your contracts, we're probably going to be the best website to do that. So, check out rugdoc.io for our ratings and our Telegram announcements. Because whenever we find something that is a risk to invest in, we're going to call it out and we're going to tell you exactly what's in there. Um, Ultimately, the way that we base our scans off of is by using diff checker or some other similar text comparison tool to basically look at a code like you can see in this picture over here. You basically look at a project's code and we compare it to whatever the heck it was forked off of. And the forks that we look at are these established, long lasting, and firmly audited, time tested projects. So they're going to be like Uniswap or PancakeSwap or Goose that have been firmly out for a long time, that projects have been that hackers have been trying to exploit and that audit companies have basically given a green light to. And we basically, from there, assuming that these parent forks are going to be pretty safe, we look for the differences. What did these projects change? Um, you can do things that are literally like super simple once you have a diff checker pulled up. If you don't understand code at all, you can literally just go through our rug library on our wiki and just start control effing like migrator, migrate, transfer, and see if anything matches up with our known exploit and rug codes. Um, you should always check your contracts at launch because if a project uploads something to their GitHub or some other repository or just sends, I don't know, a screenshot of a text file, it means that they could literally verify and upload anything onto Explorer. And so what you want to do is you want to be able to check your contract interactions at launch before you stake anything. And you want to make sure that the master chef or the strategy or factory or whatever you're interacting with is the same exact one that we have reviewed and given a rating to. Because if you haven't been able to stake, a project could theoretically switch contract and hide anything in there. And then, well, that's a problem because, that's how you get crappy functions stuck in there. So those are probably the easiest ways to deal with that.